Hello, welcome back to my channel again. And today I'm starting the painting, but let me begin from the stretching the canvas on a stretcher. So this is the canvas roll and the knife. I will cut it according to the size. The size of this painting is 2 by 3 feet. It means 24 into 36 inches. Actually, this stretcher is my old canvas. I have to throw out the uh, previous canvas and using new canvas from the new roll. And the stapler is very good to staple these pins, and it can hold very tightly. And I stretch very tight because while you paint, the canvas should not be bent down, or uh, it may be loose if we do not stretch tightly. So after stretching the canvas, I mixed the golden color, um, golden, and this is the oil paint. And I'm using golden first because the main element of the painting will be in the golden tone. And for this painting, the theme is very nice. Actually, I'm very happy to share. Um, I assumed that on the sunset time, the sun is there that I'm painting, and that sunset reflecting its shyness, its yellow and orange shyness. But in my painting, it will be golden. So the reflection of the sun is there. And now I am painting an eagle. Okay, so the eagle is coming back at the time of sunset. At the time of sunset, it doesn't matter how a bird or how an animal is strong and wild and powerful. It doesn't matter. Every animal, every bird comes back to their home at the evening. So this is the beauty of life. We humans also come back to our home, uh, whatever it is, the tour of work or anything else. It's a daily pleasure of everyone that you come back to your home and feel better and relaxed. So in this painting, I'm making an eagle that he's coming back, and as a house, maybe a tree, a dried tree. Now I'm gonna make. So now I'm making clouds there with the brush, and all the main elements of this painting will be a few in a. Now it's time to make that tree where this eagle will go. Okay, that is I'm assuming, and that is the house or resting place for him. It may be. So I think it will indicate that. It doesn't matter of laugh, but I'm just cleaning that brush, and now that brush is has cleaned, and I'm using over these paints to make them a little thin layer of that color, so it may be spread over the canvas. This layer may take approx 15 days to dry, and now I'm ready to paint the surroundings. and I will also give the sufficient time to dry the black color that I'm doing right now. Instead of painting the black color after the golden color, I might do inverse, means I can also start with the black color over the canvas, and over the black I can do the gold color. But I'm very comfortable in this process because I wanted to focus only the on the main part, main elements of this painting. Okay, that can attract, that can explain the story of my thoughts. Now, after at least 1 month, I'm ready to make the textures. I bought these new gloves to safety with the colors on my hands. I'm using first time these black gloves, and I'm ready now. See, so this painting has been dried very well, but maybe some little moisture there because of the raining season here in India. So I'm using this hair dryer of my wife to dry this painting completely, and maybe some dust particles removed there with the help of this hair dryer. You see, casually, many artists use hair dryers in the floating or pouring acrylic paintings, abstract paintings. But in my abstract paintings, I use sometimes to dry the paintings. Look, these are not I'm making textures. No, I'm just cleaning my mixing palette. These oil paints were dried there, so I used a turpentine to clean the oil paints, and finally I have done. Now I'm taking black color, and this is for the final layer of the painting. After that I will make the texture. I'm adding some amount of, actually most amount of the turpentine, and mixing with the painting knife. Look at the color is very thin now, and this is sufficient to paint over the canvas. If it will be if the space will remain, so I will make um, one time more the amount of color. Now I'm ready. I'm using this roller, and this is very good to use. Rollers, painting rollers are very easy to use. See, after covering this whole canvas with the black paint, uh, it will be used to make the textures. Okay, now I have done it. So finally, uh, I'm ready to make the textures. See, this is the nail, and that will be used to make textures. Yes, how to make the textures you will see here. I will scratch the last layer that I painted with the black color, and some random scratches will create some textures. Okay, these are very fine textures, and while I was doing this, I was thinking that the nail is sufficient. I will not use painting knife today to make the textures, because painting knife will make the wide and thick textures there. So I'm just creating with nails, and you see these are very fine, very thin, and after the completing this painting, you will observe this. You will feel that the whole the painting is giving the feel of calm and very satisfaction. While I use this nail, After scratching 10 times or more times, it is to be cleaned up with the rough cloth. So I do this again and again, and this is not so tough or not irritating. This is very fine to do and very easily I can do this. I'm so sorry for my bad language. My English language and the grammar is very bad. Uh, but I am trying day by day to improve my language. And you see, actually, if you are an art lover, you can observe that the art is itself a language. So I want to express with my art. Now, my artwork is completed now, and this contemporary abstract painting or abstract art, whatever you say, this is ready, and I will post on my Instagram page and the website also. Now tell me, what are you feeling after watching this painting, and if you like this really, please comment and like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe